So we've officially set the coordinate systems for our tool holders, and we actually still can't cut because we need to now calibrate each one of these tools, which is an even simpler process than what we've just done. The hard work is basically past us. Right, now in order to set the tool height, because remember your ATC, once you've set things up right, it knows exactly not only where your tools are, but how long every single tool is. So look how simple this is. We're going to come into our menu, operation parameters. Actually, we don't need to go all this way. What we can do is just hold Shift and 6. This is going to bring up our calibration process for our tools. I'm going to show you how to do this on a single measure, but you can measure all of your tool holders at one point. So now what it's going to do is come down, firstly come back up a little bit, and it's gradually going to work its way down. If you found that you get a Z height error, what's possibly happened is you haven't woken up your machine by pressing that little mobile sensor. So all you're going to do is just go back to home, press your sensor, make sure it's activated, and restart this process. So what's basically happening is it's going to push down on this probe. Now you can move this probe around. There is a way to actually reset its positioning. And look what's going to happen over here. Tool has been set successfully. Now we know exactly where this tool length is, and we have to repeat the process. So all we're going to do is cycle through our tools. So we've done one. I'm going to go down. The tool that I want to grab, right, be number 2 in this instance. And rinse and repeat. I'm going to use the shortcut key, Shift 6, single measure. So after a bit of rinse and repeat, we are officially audio connoisseurs. We have not only set up our tool positioning, but we have also now set up our Z height for each one of our tools, and essentially we are done and dusted.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.